What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Subi fam. Today we're going to be bringing you a nice POV video, you know, of the 18 STI, my 18 STI, you know, about the setup. She's got, you know, about 409 to the wheels, 487 to the crank. You know, we did get tuned in a little bit warmer weather. It is a little bit colder right now, so, you know, we can get on the car a little bit. We can see how she feels. So yeah, let's get a cold start for you guys. Let's rip this baby and let's see how this FE Blue Turbo feels. Let's get to it. There's the daily, the wifeys. If you guys haven't caught footage of that, we're gonna be dropping more POV videos on that. Alright guys, so we got the access port hooked up, just, you know, to monitor some things. So we got boost there, so we'll reset the peak and we'll start, you know, getting a POV video for you guys. I absolutely, you know, I love the way this car has been feeling, man. I'm so glad that we went with this setup and, you know, we did this setup. You know, it's got the 4-inch front mount, ETS front mount. You know, we did the FP Blue internal wastegate turbo. You know, it's got the E85. You know, it's got the fuel pump. It's got 1300 ID injectors. You know, we kind of went, you know, to the most you can on the stock block, really. And it just feels so smooth. A great daily. And when you want, obviously, you know, she freaking moves. But we're gonna head up to Best Buy as well. We're gonna go grab a media mod because I'm sick of this freaking mic sounding like dog shit. So you guys might notice the mic get better halfway through this video. Jeez. Let's see if we catch any costs too. You never know. Alright guys, so the tuner did hook it up when we got this baby tuned. You know, obviously the STI has, you know, the intelligent, the sport, and the sport sharp. So, you know, he gave us, you know, different power levels for each category. Intelligent, she's at about 309. Sport, she's at about 350 to the wheel. And sport sharp, you know, that's that 409, 410 to the wheel. Obviously, you know, in a little bit colder weather, she'll perform a little bit better. So, you know, let's we're in sport right now. We're gonna drop in, we're gonna do a nice hit. Woo! So that was sport, guys. That was a nice ripping sport. Mario went fucking flying, I mean Luigi. Sorry, bud. Bullet Bill stood though. This thing definitely freaking pulls. I mean, even in sport, it gives you, know, that little head bob back in the driver's seat. Like I said, we got 50 ponies. Alright guys, so we got the new media mod for the GoPro. We just left Best Buy. Intake temps are about 86 right now. It's starting to warm up into this day, so we might be doing a few hits on another day. I swear, you would never think that, like, I did a turbo. Let me roll the windows up. This car feels so freaking smooth since we did the turbo. Like, I still drive the wifey's whip, which is the 2017 STI. It's the daily, and it's right now it's currently, you know, it's got the downpipe, it's got a front mount, and it's tuned. It's got the AOS and stuff, and you know, it's still very like torquey and snappy. I swear, like since we did the turbo, it literally just feels like so smooth. Like when you're just driving, you know, like hitting a little bit of boost, like everything just feels freaking amazing, man. Woo! Little hidden sport. Alright guys, so fast forward a few days, you know, I just wanted the weather to just get a little bit colder, so you know, we're not really beating on the car. So I'm just gonna let things, you know, get up to operating temp and start kind of full sending this baby. Like I said, you know, she's on E85, I mean E74.7 right now. That's the content. We're filling up maybe once every month and a half, every month, depending on how much we're really driving this thing. And man, it's what a difference from 93. If you guys, like I said, if you guys can get on E85, man, I highly recommend it. The car runs so much better, it feels so much smoother. Even the smell, if you guys like the smell of gas, man, E85 just makes gas smell like shit. Now, since doing the FP Blue and, you know, making the 400 wheel, this car has definitely surprised me. It's beaten a few cars that I didn't expect it to beat, which you know, it puts a smile on your face when you're beating cars where you think you should lose. So maybe we'll catch anybody. If not, you know, we'll save that for some other videos. Sport sharp here, drive a little aggressive. Woo! Holy shit, man. Feels great. Oh yeah. Jeez, why are we coming to almost complete stop on the highway? You guys make me want to send this bitch. Single tip with the ethanol. Whew. Guys, we'll do a little first, second, third maybe in sport, just first, second. Oh yeah, I love it. we're done, we're done. We had our fun. I tell you, man, this thing is too much fun. Too much fun. Woo. Like I said, I definitely want to do the white line sway bar. For those of you following the channel, coming up next is definitely going to be the white line sway bars to this car. And, you know, putting her maybe on some Fortune Auto coilovers or bags. Definitely going, probably leaning towards the coilovers, because probably going to end up building the motor and going rotated, because this shit is just too much fun, man. But remember, guys, if you're liking the channel and you're liking all the content, hit that like button, hit the subscribe, show us the love. Subi fam out, baby.